Hi everyone. On this system of equations, this is our number 12. What I'm going to do first is factor this. You could try to eliminate your x and y, but then you still have too many unknown variables. So I'm going to go ahead and factor the numerator, or the first equation is x minus 2y times x plus y equals 0. And I'm going to go ahead and solve for x. So for this one, x equals 2y. And for this one, x equals negative y. Alright, now I'm going to substitute this first one back into this second equation and solve for y. So when I plug in 2y, everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put 2y times y plus 2y, and I'm going to move the 6 over, equals negative 6. So you get 2y squared plus 2y. I'm going to go and move the 6 back over again. Plus 6 equals 0. Now, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 2 and see if I can factor this. And if you notice, this doesn't factor. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula. And my a is 1, my b is 1, and my c is 3. So I'm going to get negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is going to give you negative 1 plus or minus negative 11 over 2. Now, right there, that should tell you there's no real solutions. As a complex solutions, this was x equals. But there's no real solution, so we're just going to write no real solutions for this one. Now, we want to try x equals negative y. And I'm going to plug it into this equation. So let me do that on the next slide. And we're going to substitute that in, and we're going to solve for this. So I'm going to write this again. xy plus x plus 6. And I know that x equals negative y. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put negative y. So it's negative y squared minus y plus 6 equals 0. And I'm going to go ahead and negate this because I don't like the negative lead. Can I factor this? Yes. So we have y plus 3 and y minus 2. So our y equals 0. Y equals negative 3, and this is supposed to be y equals 2. So now that I have that, I know that when y is negative 3, I have two solutions here, so negative 3 and y is 2. So plug it back in, plug in negative 3 back in, and solve for x. And when you plug that in, when you plug in negative 3, you get x is 3. And when you plug in 2 back into this, you get x is negative 2. And that's your two solutions. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.